Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the audio language in YouTube videos. So let's dive right in. First, open up the YouTube app on your phone. And once you are on YouTube, find the video you wanted to watch. Now, keep in mind that not all videos have multiple audio language options. Once you are on the video, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. In the settings menu, you will see different options like quality, playback speed, captions, etc. If the video supports multiple audio tracks, you will see an option that says audio track. Simply tap on it. Now, a list of available languages should pop up. Simply select the language you wanted to switch to, and the audio will change to that language instantly. And that's it. Now you can enjoy your YouTube videos in any available language. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.